Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reorder Paragraph Real Exam Question Series, and this is 38th video in this series. It means we have already covered 37 real exam questions जो students को paper में आए हैं, and we have discussed the logics, the tricks, कि how you can solve them. Okay, so first things first. Now PT is accepted in UK also. For if you want to study, work or settle in UK, you can do with Pearson PT, and 90% of Canadian universities now accept PT academic. And a new test, PT Home, is valid for spouse visa, family visa in UK. My name is Bhrat Brij and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PTE. Now students ask, sir, can we also score? The answer is big yes. अगर आप same strategies, tips and tricks follow करोगे तो you can also score. Okay? So do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. PT reading is of 32 to 41 minutes. Integrated section timer होता है. You have to manage your time yourself. And it is not scored out of 90, it is scored out of 47 marks. We are going to see the real scoring of PT reading modules shortly. And it has 5 question types. Today's question type is reorder paragraph, which is the third in the sequence. This is the real PT reading scoring. If you can see, reading module just contributes 47 marks. उसमें से 6 marks are of reorder paragraphs. So if you are getting 3 reorder paragraphs, it will be of 2 marks each. Okay, and if you are getting 2 reorder paragraphs, they will be of 3 marks each to make the total 6. And coming to the timing, you just have 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, you have to solve it. This is based on a big data analysis, artificial intelligence analysis. In 2 minutes, you have to solve your reorder paragraphs. अब उन 2 minutes में आपको skim भी करना है जो आपको content दिया हुआ है. Then you have to read it and then you have to make pairs because the scoring of reorder paragraphs is on pairing. And then you have to confirm कि जो आपने reorder paragraph किया है, जो pairs बनाए हैं, those are correct or not. And all of this has to be done within 2 minutes. This is today's reorder paragraph. As usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to skim through this, okay? And then we will discuss it. Okay, so you know that in skimming what we do, first of all, we try to find independent line, and conclusion line is optional. And independent line we can easily find using our process of elimination. So let's quickly go through these lines. Open days are good chances for parents to ask what they want to know. Open days अच्छे chances हैं parents को पता करने के लिए उनको क्या जानना है. Okay, this seems like an independent line. ठीक है, so let's keep it. School has different ways to let parents know how they provide education services. स्कूल के पास बहुत सारे वेज हैं पेरेंट्स को बताने के लिए कि वो एजुकेशन सर्विसेज कैसे देते हैं. अब कुछ स्टूडेंट्स कह सकते हैं कि सर यहाँ पे दे है, प्रोनाउन है, तो क्या इसीलिए इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन होगी. अब आप देखिए यहाँ पे दे किसको रेफर कर रहा है, स्कूल को ही, मोर और लेस. ओके, राइट. सो इसीलिए ये इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन हो सकती है क्योंकि उसी लाइन में वो प्रोनाउन रेफर्ड है. तो ओके, वी हैव 2 इंडिपेंडेंट लाइंस. These are times. अब these are times क्या होंगे? ओके, these एक रेफरेंस वर्ड है. these किसी टाइम के लिए यूज हो रहा है, so इसीलिए this cannot be an independent line. But still, let's quickly skim through this. These are times when parents can know what works for their children will be doing at school. So इसीलिए ये cannot be your independent line. These word use हो रहा है. One of the common ways is open days. एक तरह का कॉमन वे है ओपन डेज के बारे में. अब वन ऑफ द कॉमन मतलब पहले कुछ बात हुई होगी तभी. रिमेंबर आर ब्रॉट टू स्पेसिफिक स्ट्रैटेजी. पहले जनरल बात होती है, फिर स्पेसिफिक बात होती है। सो बेस्ड ऑन दैट कि आप कह सकते हैं ये इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन नहीं है। अब ओपन डेज यहाँ पे इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहा है। अब यहाँ पे ओपन डेज और ओपन डेज है, तो पहले चीज इंट्रोड्यूस होगी, फिर वो स्पेसिफाई होगी। अगेन आर एसओ स्ट्रैटेजी, राइट, सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट स्ट्रैटेजी। सी अगर आपको एसओ स्ट्रैटेजी, बीएस स्ट्रैटेजी, टीओ स्ट्रैटेजी अच्छी तरह से आपको लर्न है, आप इंप्लीमेंट कर सकते हो, रीऑर्डर पैराग्राफ सॉल्व करने बहुत ईजी हैं। So easily we are going to eliminate this as independent line. So we are just left with one line, which is school has different ways to let parents know how they provide education services. So that's why we are going to drag it, and it's an independent line. अब different ways, multiple ways, ये हो गई broad बात. One of the common ways is open days. ये क्या है? Specific बात हो रही है. So this is going to be paired up, brought to specific, and we are going to drag this to over here. So we have drag it. One of the common ways is open days. Okay. Now open days, depending upon our SO strategy, open days or open days यहाँ पे match कर रहा है. Okay. So that's how we are going to make pairs. अब open days आपने पहले बता दिया कि one of the ways है. अब आप open days को describe कर रहे हो. Open days are good chances for parents to ask what they want to know. अब वैसे भी ये लास्ट लाइन बची है, लॉजिक समझ आए ना आए, इट्स गोइंग टू बी द लास्ट, बट स्टिल लेट्स सी. अब ओपन डेज, दीज आर टाइम्स, कौन सी, दीज रेफरेंस वर्ड फॉर ओपन डेज. ओके, ओपन डेज आर टाइम्स व्हेन पेरेंट्स कैन नो व्हाट वर्क्स फॉर देयर चिल्ड्रन विल बी डूइंग एट स्कूल, कि बच्चे क्या करेंगे स्कूल में. ओके, so this is how this is going to be paired up. I hope this was quite simple. Once you know the right strategies, solving reorders can be a piece of cake. So all the answers, all the pairs for this one are correct. So what is our strategy for reorder paragraphs? We find first independent line, like you have seen using process of elimination. Then we use BS strategy. You had seen the implementation of BS strategy today. Then CO strategy, then connectors, TO rule, topical order rule, AB abbreviation rule, SO strategy, you have seen its implementation today, the subject object strategy, and then last sentence rule. There are certain rules how we can find last sentences also. Now you have 2 minutes to solve a reorder paragraphs. In first 30 to 60 seconds you have to skim the content. आपको एक independent line find out करनी है and try to find conclusion line. Just remember conclusion line can be optional. कभी कभार आपको मिल सकती है, generally नहीं मिलती है. But independent line आपको first 1 minute or 30 seconds में find out करनी है. And then in next 30 to 60 seconds you can look for clues. आपको pointers के through भी answers मिल सकते हैं. The way we had made pairs based on our strategies, TO strategy, SO strategy, BS strategy, okay? And all the strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. What is the proof? You can see the scorecards of students who have achieved their target score, and these are some of our success stories where you can see students have scored 90 overall, 86 overall. So if they can score, you can also score. This is our WhatsApp number 8699121121. If you want to take online coaching or in-institute coaching, you can contact us. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.